Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today's episode is all about AI. AI is evolving at an unprecedented rate. Today, we put 3 of the latest models to the test: DeepSeek AI, Qwen 2.5 Max, and ChatGPT. Which one will be better? Stay tuned to know the differences.
Let's begin. Okay, so we have the famous ChatGPT and versus DeepSeek. Coming over with also another contestant, which is Qwen 2.5, which comes from Alibaba. Let's see which one is better. From the graph that we can see that it's originated from DeepSeek website, you can see that DeepSeek R1 surpasses everything that OpenAI have, even the O1 model, which can do critical thinking. And you can see from the different benchmarks that already DeepSeek has beaten up with slightly a little bit score. Let's put this to test. As you can see, the first question is very basic. I just want to know which model I'm communication with. So when I say who are you, it results that I'm DeepSeek 3.1. And then when I repeat the same question, it starts to reason by itself, and then it gives me the certain different answer, which is it's DeepSeek R1. The same situation or the same controversy can have, I think, the same situation that people think that R1 is ChatGPT. Maybe that's happening, or maybe as people say that DeepSeek has copied ChatGPT. I'm not sure, but this is one of the things that we have to pay attention to. Let's start the standoff by a linear math equation that I give to DeepSeek, and also I will give to ChatGPT. And let's see how both are going. So far, as we can see, DeepSeek has got the reasoning started already and start to think how it will answer a linear math equation. So far, it's going okay. And let's see if it gets the result correctly. Let's wait and see. So far, I can see that it's going into the right direction as reasoning. And this is a linear math equation. And the result is correct. Okay. Now we try the same on ChatGPT and see what's the result. Okay, that's quite faster. As you can see, the difference between ChatGPT and DeepSeek, you can clearly see the reasoning and also see that the open source is quite open. DeepSeek has openly discussed with itself, and I can hear what's happening. Now let's try another equation, a little bit harder this time. Every step on the way, DeepSeek is sharing its thoughts and how it thinks about every step of the way and how to fix the solution, and it's keeping everything totally open. That's the difference between the open source and the ChatGPT, which is not so open source. Okay, we got the result and it is correct. Nice one, DeepSeek. Let's go to ChatGPT and see if it does the same. Now we can see the same equation. Here we go. Okay, as we can see that it's clearly that ChatGPT is quite faster in the response, but it doesn't show what it shows in the other one, as DeepSeek is going step by step on how do you think about the process. This one is just showing fast results with snippets. Now we're all wondering why DeepSeek is better. One of the things it's called reinforced learning. That's like having a dog, and every time the dog do something right, you give it a treat. That's how easier you make the AI learn and make it learn the right thing. Also, there is something called a chain of thought. Chain of thought is how you think in steps and break down logic approach to a mathematical problem or coding. Also, the third part is model distillation. model distillation is like a professor that gives all its knowledge to a new student. So in a way that makes it fast and easy for the student to grab his knowledge. So in other words, DeepSeek has learned from a bigger master, and this is his smaller version of it. And if you need more information, this is something I found on DeepSeek white paper called GRPO, which is some kind of a reinforced learning. It's like you and your friends after finishing the exam, and everyone verifies its answer from each other, which one got the best answer. We also have this in the white paper. It's how it syncs on the chain of thought. You can see it's like, wait, I have an aha moment here. So this comes to realization on where it is and how it's actually going in the chain of thoughts. And now, without further ado, our latest edition, Qwen 2.5 Max, the newest member in the club of the AIs from Alibaba. So by this section, I think it's boring to hear my sound too much. So I give the stage to my co-host and my friend, my Greek friend.
Welcome back to the lovely comparison of AIs. As you can see, I tried the new lovely Qwen 2.5 Max, and the result is very weird. Like literally very weird. I've tried to regenerate this like twice, and this is a video generation. I tried to generate a review of comparison between ChatGPT. My bad, I should put it in one word. DeepSeek, I think I didn't misspell. Qwen, and intro for a YouTube video for comparison episode. So I was hoping this would be the intro of the episode, and I was hoping it was good, but honestly, I was shocked. Sept become death seek Qwen chat sept. I don't know what is this. This is just gibberish. ChatGPT, surprisingly, it fixed it. But look at the animation. Look what happened. That's it. I got 5 seconds. And the problem, it took forever.
Okay, let's summarize and give it a second chance. Well, after all, it's the only model that have video generation. Speeding things up, and we get the results. Back to our co-host, my Greek friend.
Finally. Wow. Okay. That's somehow good. Yep. That generation sounds nice. Only 5 seconds. Only 5 seconds, unfortunately. And then the logo went here and on the t-shirt.
Okay, thanks, and let's continue. Unfortunately, let's not forget that AI is as good as its trained data. Even ChatGPT, that is trained on billions of data, is still struggling on that simple prompt about the time. It didn't end up here. Also, the same problem is inherited in all the chats, in all the AIs. You can have the same problem in Qwen 2.5, which is the latest model. You can have it in DeepSeek. They're all struggling with the time problem. That is a simple prompt that you can try for yourself anytime. Anyway, by now I think we've reached the end of this episode. If you want to hear more or have more of these AI showdown and differences on how to use AI and which AI is better, please like and subscribe and follow for more. Also leave a comment. I will be very happy to hear about your thoughts and anything else we need to discuss in future episodes. And it doesn't have to stop an AI. I'm also good in programming and other stuff and using AI agents. Thank you so much for making this far, and hope to see you soon.